Victorinox watches epitomize Swiss precision and enduring reliability, reflecting the brand's heritage of craftsmanship and innovation. Renowned for their exceptional quality and functionality, Victorinox timepieces seamlessly combine rugged durability with timeless design. Inspired by the legacy of the Swiss Army knife, these watches exhibit versatility and resilience, catering to adventurers and urban explorers alike. With a focus on robust materials, precise movements, and attention to detail, Victorinox watches stand as symbols of reliability, offering a perfect blend of utility and sophistication for those seeking durable, high-performance timepieces. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 9. Victorinox Inox Carbon Limited Edition represents the pinnacle of resilience and innovation, designed to withstand extreme conditions. Crafted from carbon composite, the 43mm case ensures exceptional durability and lightness, making it suitable for rugged environments. Its striking matte black appearance with pops of color on the hands and markers adds a sporty and modern touch to the design. This limited edition timepiece undergoes rigorous testing for shock resistance, water resistance up to 200 meters, and withstanding extreme temperatures, embodying the brand's commitment to durability and reliability. Equipped with a Swiss quartz movement, date display, and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the I.N.O.X Carbon Limited Edition watch merges style with robustness, appealing to adventurers and individuals seeking a high-performance, exclusive timepiece built to endure the most demanding situations. Number 8. Victorinox Alliance exudes a timeless elegance coupled with practical functionality. With a classic and versatile design, the timepiece boasts a stainless steel case and bracelet, emphasizing durability and sophistication. Its refined dial features clean lines, often adorned with Roman numerals or sleek indexes, combined with luminous hands for optimal readability. The Alliance series includes various sizes and dial color options, catering to different preferences and styles. Equipped with precise Swiss quartz or automatic movements, this collection prioritizes accuracy and reliability. Ideal for everyday wear or formal occasions, the Victorinox Alliance embodies a perfect blend of understated elegance and Swiss craftsmanship, appealing to individuals seeking a versatile and refined watch that effortlessly complements any attire or setting. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision is a versatile timepiece that merges contemporary style with innovative functionality. Encased in durable stainless steel, its design includes a distinctive black dial equipped with LED lights and various functionalities ideal for nighttime or low-light situations. This watch features a unique night vision lighting system with a white LED light for dial illumination, a red LED locator light, and a flashlight integrated into the case edge, offering adaptability in different lighting conditions. Number 6. Victorinox Inox Titanium stands as a testament to durability and strength while boasting a sophisticated and lightweight titanium construction. Encased in a robust titanium housing, this timepiece ensures resilience against daily wear and tear. Its design showcases a sleek dial with luminescent hands and markers, providing excellent readability in various lighting conditions. With its anti-magnetic properties and water resistance up to 200 meters, the I.N.O.X Titanium is a reliable companion for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with a Swiss quartz movement, it guarantees precision and reliability, while the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal enhances its durability. Number 5. Victorinox Fieldforce embodies rugged reliability combined with contemporary design elements. Encased in durable stainless steel, its robust build ensures resilience against everyday challenges. The timepiece features a variety of dial designs, often with luminescent hands and markers for improved readability, while its versatility suits diverse preferences. With a choice of straps, including stainless steel or leather, it offers both durability and sophistication. Equipped with Swiss quartz movement, it ensures accuracy and precision in timekeeping. The Fieldforce collection represents Victorinox's commitment to durability, functionality, and a modern aesthetic, appealing to individuals seeking a reliable and stylish timepiece suitable for both casual wear and more demanding situations. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army I.N.O.X. is an epitome of ruggedness and reliability. Encased in a robust stainless steel case, this timepiece is designed to endure extreme conditions, surpassing numerous durability tests. Boasting a versatile and sophisticated design, features a bold dial with luminescent markers and hands for optimal visibility in any environment. Its high-grade stainless steel construction ensures resistance to shocks, water, and magnetic forces. Equipped with a Swiss quartz movement, it guarantees precision and reliability. The I.N.O.X collection offers various styles and strap options, catering to different tastes while maintaining the watch's durability and functionality, making it a suitable choice for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a resilient timepiece for everyday wear. Number 3. Victorinox Maverick Chronograph combines robustness with a sleek and contemporary design. Encased in durable stainless steel, this timepiece boasts a striking dial with chronograph subdials and a unidirectional rotating bezel, showcasing its sporty functionality. Its bold, legible hands and hour markers, often accompanied by luminescent accents, ensure readability in various lighting conditions. Equipped with a Swiss quartz movement, it provides accurate timekeeping. Available in different dial colors and strap options including stainless steel or rubber, the Maverick Chronograph collection offers versatility while maintaining durability and water resistance, making it suitable for daily wear or active lifestyles. This collection epitomizes Victorinox's dedication to crafting timepieces that blend style, functionality, and durability, appealing to individuals seeking a versatile and robust watch for both casual and adventurous pursuits. Number 2. Victorinox I.N.O.X Professional Diver LV. As a pinnacle of durability and performance, specifically crafted for diving enthusiasts. Encased in a robust stainless steel case with a unidirectional rotating bezel, it offers exceptional water resistance up to 200 meters, exceeding ISO 6425 diving watch standards. Its bold dial with luminescent hands and markers ensures clear legibility underwater or in low-light conditions. The watch features a helium escape valve, enhancing its functionality for professional diving activities. Equipped with a Swiss quartz movement, it guarantees reliability and precision. The I.N.O.X Professional Diver LE collection showcases Victorinox's commitment to creating reliable, high-performance timepieces, catering to diving professionals and enthusiasts seeking a durable and functional watch that meets stringent standards for underwater exploration. Number 1. Victorinox AirBoss embodies a blend of aviation-inspired design and Swiss precision. Encased in durable stainless steel, its design echoes classic pilot watches, featuring a distinctive dial with large, luminous numerals and hands for easy readability. The AirBoss models often showcase additional functionalities, such as chronograph subdials or a date window, enhancing practicality. Equipped with Swiss automatic or quartz movements, these timepieces ensure accurate and reliable performance. With various dial colors and strap options, including leather or stainless steel bracelets, the AirBoss series caters to diverse preferences while maintaining a timeless, aviator-inspired aesthetic. Victorinox's AirBoss line exemplifies precision engineering and functional elegance, appealing to individuals seeking a sophisticated yet practical watch suitable for everyday wear or aviation enthusiasts drawn to its heritage-inspired design.